When discussing our items or belongings or anything that's related to us, we use the pronoun the, which means my. The word the causes a mutation we're not that familiar with yet. The treiglad trinol, nasal mutation. As the name suggests, you vocalise through the upper part of your nose as you pronounce the sounds that this treiglad make. Only 6 letters are affected by the treiglad trinol. P, T, K, B, D and G. These are the letters they change into. Now, look what happens when we put the in front of words that start with these 6 letters. Tei, fy nhei I. Cadair, fy nghadair I. Pensil, fy mhensil I. Dannedd, fy nannedd I. Gwallt, fy ngwallt I. Bag, fy mag I. In speech, we tend to drop the pronoun after the word, and you're more likely to hear fy nhei, fy nghadair, and so forth. Think of other words starting with these 6 letters and practice using the treiglad trinol when you put the in front of the word. Pob hwyl I chi.